Hello Windows users, if you've encountered the frustrating USB device not recognized error, you're not alone. In this video, we'll explore 5 effective methods to resolve this issue on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. So for method 1, we need to disable USB selective suspend. So step 1, access power options. First, open the control panel and navigate to power options. Let's go to control panel, then we can go to power options, like so. Step 2. Adjust advanced power settings. Click on change when the computer sleeps, then change advanced power settings. So change when the computer sleeps, change advanced power settings. Step 3. Disable USB selective suspend. So under the USB settings, right here, disable USB selective suspend settings. So we just over here, and then we can disable it, like so. Now for me, my USBs are working for me and I don't have this issue, so I'm gonna click on enable, then accept and accept. Method 2 is unstable. Install the USB device driver. Sometimes updating or installing the USB device driver can solve the problem. So open up your local disk. So over here, local disk C or your Windows file or Windows drive. Click on the Windows again. Type in INF right here, click on it, and then click on WPMDT. So we can just search here WPDMT, and there you have it here. Then right click on it and click on install. So for me, I don't have any problems again on the USB, so I won't need to reinstall my drivers. So method 3 is to change the drive letter. You can also try changing the drive letter for your USB device. Step 1 is access disk management. So search and create a format hard disk partition and Windows search. So create and format hard disk partitions. So click OK. Step 2, change the drive letter. So select your USB drive, click change drive letter and paths, and assign a new letter. For example, this one. Let's right click on it, change drive letters and paths over here. Then we can click on change and assign the drive to the following letter. Let's, for example, put it on F. Okay. So yeah. And then it will change. So method 4 is updating USB drivers. Outdated USB drivers can cause recognition issues. Here's how to update them. So step 1 is to open device manager. Open device manager like so. And then for step 2 is update the drivers. So scroll down until you find the Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Click on it, and then you have all these drivers right here. What you can do is you can right click on the USB update driver like so, and then search automatically for drivers for each of these. Now for method 5, if this doesn't work, we need to reinstall USB controllers. So in some cases, reinstalling the USB controllers can help. So step 1 is to open the device manager again, and then what you can do is right click on it, for example here, and click on uninstall device, and then restart your computer, and then it will automatically reinstall your USB controllers. There you have it, 5 effective methods to fix the USB device not recognized issue on Windows 11 or 10. If you found this video helpful, give it the thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and may your USB devices always be recognized.